Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple past tense and past perfect tense. Please listen to me carefully. After I had lunch in a village inn, I looked for my bag. I had put it on a chair beside the door, but now it wasn't there. As I was looking for it, the innkeeper came in. "Did you have a good meal?" he asked. "Yes, thank you," I said, "but I can't pay the bill. I haven't got my bag." The innkeeper smiled and immediately went out. In a few minutes, he returned with my bag and gave it back to me. "I'm very sorry," he said. "My dog had taken it into the garden. He often does this." Well, interesting story, right? Well, hopefully that this video is very useful for you. If you like it, please subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.